Hi guys, just a bit of a quick rundown on the new block manager program which I've been working on. I'll just take you through and show you how it works and see what you think. So it's basically a palette, so you can dock and put it out wherever you need to put it. Works well over here on the right hand side. We can manage sections, so the main sections where the headings, so to speak, and then inside those are subsections, and then inside the subsections that's where all the blocks live. So we've got a few sections there. We can add a subsection and add some Rheem hot water heaters. So if we go in there now, we've got a Rheem folder. We go blocks, and we can add new blocks. So if we go to where all our blocks live, and we can bring them into the program. So that now that's copying the DWGs across to the path where we're managing our block library and creating images for the thumbnails, and also creating PDFs at the same time. So now we're starting to build our library. If we want to make a more detailed area for that thumbnail, we can open the drawing and we can pick an area that we want to take a snapshot of, and we can just go update thumbnail. So we can do that to all the thumbnails as we need. On top of that, we can import folders that are already on the system. So if we want to bring in some products, we can bring in some Caroma toilet suites, and it allows us to automatically create a subsection based on the folder that we're importing, and also scan any subdirectories for drawings that live within that folder. So we click OK there, it'll import that folder and bring in our blocks into our library. And we can bring in a couple more folders. Humes. Bring in some Kelo pumps. So you can see we're starting to build our library now, and we've got a few products in our sections. If we want to add some symbols, we can add a symbols folder. We can import just normal symbols. So they're just normal symbol blocks, so quite handy to bring all those in and have them in the same system where you're managing all your details, etc. So we could add some details in the detail section. So it's pretty quick and very painless to add blocks to, unlike other AutoCAD. It makes it quite difficult to start setting up a library, but with the new block manager we can add blocks and details really quickly. If we want to create our own blocks from these drawings or any other drawings that we open, we can do that as well. So if we open this drawing and we want to take a detail of this area here, we can just go and make a block, and we can say we'll pick point, we'll just pick a point anywhere and pick some objects and then give it a name and click OK. And now at any time we can bring that into the drawing. So it's really handy and really quick to make existing blocks. So if we wanted to get some booster points off here, we could do that and just go and make a block. Pick a point, pick some objects, and give it a name. it's pretty handy. The other thing we can do is, while we're working away, if this list is quite large and there's a lot of blocks in there, we can put it on a bit of a slideshow timer. We can set it to whatever interval seconds we need to, and we could even loop through all those blocks as we're working away in AutoCAD, and if we see something we can like, we can just stop it and bring it in. So it's quite good. The other thing we're doing while we're bringing blocks in, we're actually building a PDF library of our whole system as well. So if we want to have a look at the PDF file of these details now, we can just open the PDF, and that opens in a specialized PDF application that I've built for this, so we can now see all the different details in PDF form. And we can go to the various areas as well. So if we want to go to the details, so we can just pull up a detail here, print it off, or email it from here. As we're building our library, this gets built at the same time, so that's pretty handy. So there's a few other little bits and pieces. We can add blocks that already exist in the library, so we can go link block, and these are all the blocks that we've imported in. So if we wanted to bring a few of these in as well onto a different subsection, we can just do it like this. Oh, no, we can't. Well, you will be able to. So anyway, it's still in development obviously, but it's coming along pretty well, and hopefully have something out soon. So I think it'll be a good one to start managing a block library with. Anyway, thanks. Bye.